We're in Vegas.
We are in Vegas.
Yay!
Yes, we are.
Our plane actually got here early, and yesterday we got a notification that we got upgraded.
We did.
Yeah, got a really nice suite.
We were on the list to get upgraded, and we were told we got upgraded, but we had no idea that it was to the presidential suite.
Ooh, nice here. We actually never stayed at Harrah's. This is our first time to stay here.
You can keep talking.
I love all the windows in this room. They're awesome. We have a great view. We overlook the Venetian and the Mirage volcano, so I can't wait to see what it looks like during the show tonight.
The volcano at night should be really good.
Yeah, we're actually on the top floor of the Valley Tower in Harrah's. It's got a great view with all these windows. I like the way the windows are all angled. But yeah, first time we've ever stayed at Harrah's, but we're actually here on an offer. We kind of moved our rooms around at the last minute. We were supposed to stay at the Wynn all week, and we're not staying at the Wynn at all. So we're here on a Labor Day drawing. So I have a chance to win a truck tomorrow.
Have a chance to win one of three
trucks. And they're giving away a lot of free play. So we're going to head downstairs in a minute and start our gambling session.
There's like a couple of hundred people that are going to win 2,500 or 1,000, or another 40 that's going to win 250. So we came to Vegas to win the truck.
We came for Mark Timber. That's why we're here.
We came for Mark Timber.
Yeah. We came to see came to see Liz. Mark's just here. He's drinking all the alcohol.
Came to see Liz and that little special guy that she babysits.
No, be nice. Mark's great. So we're here for Mark Timber. We're here all week. We have a lot of stuff planned. We have a lot of plans.
We're going to meet a few people. We're going to be in a few group pulls this week.
Yeah,
I can't hardly say it. We've never been in a group pull before.
I think we're in like 3 already. So it'll be a lot of fun. We'll get to meet a lot of people. Mark Timber will be fun. We got some other plans with Mark and Liz.
We're going to take a cooking class.
We are taking a class. Yay.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
So yeah, we're here until Friday.
38 years and Mindy's finally going to learn how to cook.
I have kept you alive all of these years. Funny story, the first time Tom ever cooked for me before we got married, he gave us food poisoning, so he wasn't allowed to cook for the last 35 years.
There's a pro tip, guys. Poison the family and she won't let you cook anymore.
Yeah. All right, are you ready to go gamble? We need to go win a truck.
All right, let's go win now. please. I'd like anything, please. So we left off.
Where's the camera? It is 11:57 and Mindy is white.
Shit face.
Hello! You were gonna be annoyed today. Yes, you are. I'm good. We're gonna go to happy hour. Me and Liz are going to happy hour. We're never gonna make it to Mark Timber, so
Where did we leave off on day one?
we left off in the room, didn't we?
What the hell did we do?
We went to the slot pool at Harrah. That was with Cinnamon and Honky Two Set. It was a lot of fun.
And Blonde Forever.
We had a good group of people. Yeah, Blonde Forever, Ronnie C. Vegas Legacy was there. Carson and Ashley. Liz and Mark were there.
So we got to meet a lot of people yesterday.
We met a great bartender at Aria too.
James
Yes, he made us some awesome drinks.
made some really good drinks.
He made me one called The Last Word. It was just kind of ironic because I never stopped talking. I've had 3 mimosas this morning. I am good. Drink service at Harrah's has been awesome. Like there are several times I had to go. I can't take another one.
If you can't tell, Mindy is up on her gambling.
I am. I had to find out the drawing. The drawing ended at, the earning period ended at 10 a.m.
See if we win a truck.
And so the drawing was at 10:30. It's a virtual drawing, and they'll let people know about 2:30. So I'm waiting for my phone to ring.
We did something else. Oh, we ate yesterday.
We did eat. We have this great room, so we just get food to come back up here. We had pizza cake, and we also had Bobby Flay burgers. If you haven't had a Bobby Flay burger, you need to get the Crunch Burger. It is awesome.
It was really good.
What was it, about 11 o'clock last night? We ate.
Bacon crunch burger. The fries are really good too. They're, I don't think I've ever had any with that light of a crisp.
They have one here at Harrahs, and they have one down at Harrahs.
Pizza cake was all right.
Wasn't as good as the first time we had it, but
Well, the cake boss wasn't there supervising.
yes.
He was the first time we went, and everything was perfect.
I had pretty good luck here.
Mm,
I'm not hurting.
I went up and down and down.
I got probably like 50 entries into the drawing. It was 25 tiered credits for one entry. But we're moving to, let's see, we're having lunch today with Mark and Liz, and then we're going to Mark Timber this evening. And we're also moving to Nomad tomorrow.
Now, I saw the vacation couple statue this morning. Who is it?
Buck and Winnie. Buck and Winnie.
Oh, fucking Winnie. I thought, why don't you like Winnie?
Oh my gosh.
I didn't know they had their own slot machines.
Mhm. Did you play that slot machine?
I did. I ran $100 through it like that. No good.
I also played that new Wizard of Oz machine. I don't like it as much as the other one.
It was entertaining, but the bonuses don't pay crap. I mean, $3 and $4 bonuses.
I like the other one better. Because it is Labor Day.
Happy Labor Day.
If I was home, I would have to be at work. We were open today.
Okay, we need to wrap up day one. They don't give a shit if you're at work.